everybody, welcome back to Rendezvous Ranch. Today we're going to be continuing cleaning this up, getting this old stuff out of here and getting it prepped. And if we have time, we'll try to tear all this here out and put up another post here. And it's really hot. We're under a heat advisory, so I don't know how much we're going to get done today. But enough of me just talking. Let's get to work. I'm going to start here by moving this old mining belt. And we're going to take this wire loose and roll it up out of the way. On it. You see where that went?
Mm-mm.
Well, I lost the bit. It's in there good. We may put this back up. So I'll have to fix it up a little bit. Remodel it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get these. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get it the smart way, right? Nope, wouldn't let me. Nope, neither one did. Forgot to get my tools.